Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Wonderful Pistachios. This flavor is the roasted, salted pistachios. This is a perfect snack size that has enough in there to satisfy you. This is probably one of the most popular flavors, but let me go ahead and open this up so you can see the nuts, how big they are on the size in there. Also, these nuts are shelled already, so you don't have to worry about shelling them. So you could just pour them out and pop them out, and they're ready to go. These are very delicious and makes a great healthy snack, unless you have a peanut allergy. But I hope this review helps.